we are going to discuss about the GATE 2012 paper in ECE branch, the communication systems subject. The topic is related to the probability and the information theory in digital communication. The question given as a source alphabet consists of n symbols with the probability of the first two symbols being the same. A source encoder increases the probability of the first symbol by a small amount to epsilon and decreases that of the second by epsilon after encoding the entropy of the source. Okay, before encoding the first two symbols has the same probability, and after encoding the first one is increased by a factor of epsilon and second one is decreased by a factor of epsilon. That means there is no equality in the probability of the first two symbols. Okay, overall after encoding the entropy is changes, whether it is increases or remains the same or increases only if n equal to 2 or decreases. Now we'll see the solution for this one. The solution, okay, according to the information theory, if the events or symbols, if the events or symbols consist the same probability gives the higher entropy. That means same probability, whether it is two events or two symbols or any two, at least in the group of symbols, the probability is same, then the entropy is very high, that is increases. Okay, in this case the first two symbols are initially, in the first case, case 1, the first two symbols, okay, the 1 and 2 symbols same probability, that is the case 2 is 1 and 2 are not same in probability, that is nothing but after encoding. Obviously, therefore, after encoding the entropy is decreases. Understand? If the same probability is there, more entropy that is available in the first case. In the second case, the first two are not same in the probability after encoding, that's why the entropy is decreases. Now we'll see the example. Suppose for the first case 1, okay, case 1 is given as the probability of first symbol is nothing but p1 and the probability of second symbol equal to p2 is considered as same, that is nothing but the p. Then the entropy h equal to, that is nothing but minus p1 log p1 plus p2 into log of p2. Okay, that is for the entropies per 2, and the remaining is considered as k equal to 3 to n. This is the pk into log of pk. Now we are concentrating on first two symbols probability. Obviously these all remaining probabilities are different. In the first case this probability and this probability is same, that p1 is nothing but p and p2 is also nothing but p. Then the entropy equal to 2 into p log p. Okay, this one is p log p and this one is also p log p, that is entirely 2 into p log p plus the remaining one is same, that is equal to k equal to 3 to n pk log pk. Okay, that is for the case 2. In case 1, now in the case 2 what happened, that is after encoding process, the p1 is increased by the probability of epsilon and the p2 is increased by the probability of epsilon, that is p plus e and p minus e. Now corresponding to this change we will see the entropy. Now the entropy formula will becomes h equal to minus of that p plus e into log of p plus e. that is p plus epsilon plus p minus e into log of p minus e, and remaining plus sigma k equal to 3 to n pk and log pk. Now compare here, the first probability is this one and the second probability is this one. Now this is the probability of first one, first two symbols for the first case. This is the overall probability of first two symbols for the second case. Okay, by observing the 2p log p value is greater than comparatively p plus e log p plus e plus p minus e of log p minus epsilon. Okay, so overall the entropy h is considered as the first case and the entropy for the second case is considered as h dash. So that h is the first case entropy is more comparatively the second case entropy. From this we conclude that after encoding for different probabilities, entropy, the overall entropy is decreases. The answer is